Problem 1.32. So here we are asked to find or compute a derivative and an integral. So the derivative is d by dx of, we need to compute the derivative of 2x squared sine 3x to the power 4 plus 5. So you can first split the derivative over the summation. So it's going to be this. And the derivative of a constant is 0. So you just have to compute the derivative of this term. And here we have, if you notice, here we have an x squared term and a sine term that depends on x. So what we have to apply here is the product rule of computing derivatives. So let's first compute the derivative of 2x squared, which would be 2 times 2x times sine 3x to the power 4 plus, now I'm going to compute the derivative of sine. Derivative of sine theta is cos theta, so I'm going to first write that. And then we have to compute the derivative of 3x to the power 4, which would be 4x cubed. Now I'm going to club the terms, so I get 4x times sine 3x to the power 4 plus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24x to the power 3 plus 2 is 5, cos 3x to the power 4. So this would be the required derivative. Now, in part B, we are asked to compute a definite integral for the limits 1 to 2, 3x squared plus 1 dx. We can again split the integral over the summation. So it would be 2, 3x squared dx plus 1 to 2 dx. I'm going to bring the constant outside. The integral of x squared is x cubed over 3. Now I have to apply the limits from 1 to 2 plus integral of dx is just x. Apply the limits from 1 to 2. I can cancel out the 3 and the 3. So I have 2 cubed minus 1 cubed plus 2 minus 1. So this would be 2 cubed is 8 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 is 1. This and this gets cancelled. Minus 1, minus 1. So the answer of this is going to be 8.